y'all? So today I'll be cleaning out my truck and I'm bringing you guys along with me. Y'all know spring coming up and time has changed. Basically, my truck looks a mess and we're going to clean it today. I'll be doing a donation bag. I have a trash bag. I hope y'all enjoy this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. All right, let's go. Long sleeve stuff, clothes I can't fit no more, and just things that I don't see myself wearing anymore. And I'll be going to Goodwill. I'll be going to Goodwill or I'll be going to the donation box. We'll see. But I am donating a lot of things, items and clothes. I made some bleach water. For tuning in on this video. Please leave a comment, like, and subscribe. I'm currently editing the video right now. As you guys can see, I forgot to properly close the video out. Thank you for supporting me. If you're watching me, hey, drop a comment, a like, and please subscribe to my channel. Support me, guys. Alright, y'all. See you later. Catch you on the next video.